What do you do if you're injured at work in New Jersey and not getting paid? My name is Tanya Phillips from the law firm of Gaylord Pop. I practice workers' compensation law and Social Security disability, and I'm going to tell you. If you are out of work for 7 days, you are entitled to a wage replacement. It is called temporary disability benefits. It is 70% of your gross weekly wage, and by gross I mean before taxes. These benefits will continue until a doctor says you can return to work on light duty, or until a doctor says you can return to work full duty. That is when you reach maximum medical improvement. Sometimes the doctor can release you to go back to work light duty and the employer doesn't have light duty. If that is the case, then you remain out of work and continue to collect the temporary disability benefits until the doctor releases you to return to work full duty. Now, this was a broad overview of the temporary disability benefits that you can receive in New Jersey if you're injured as a result of a workplace accident. For additional information, refer to our website. If you have other questions, call us. The number is 609-771-8611. Thank you for listening. My name is Tanya Phillips.